Okay guys, that was Drop the Pin Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed that. And go ahead and start walking through the hook us up, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Hey, good afternoon guys. Tuesday afternoon. Getting ready for the big straw harvest. So we're going to hook this baler out, pull it out here, and go over it a little bit and blow it off and check things out. In this video, we're going to explain where everything goes and what it's for, and hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the bell and the thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can follow us through the wheat harvest and grass hay. We'll talk to you later and have a great afternoon. Enjoy the video.